I have this Uncrustable sandwich maker that was sent to me by this brand right here. I just want to show you and demonstrate how this works, and it has a stainless steel plate that actually cuts the bread. And I didn't have any jelly, so I put peanut butter on both sides. I really love peanut butter. I'm going to go ahead and put the sandwich in the middle, and I got to make sure it's centered. That way when I push it down, it makes a perfect circle. And you do have to put some pressure on it. That way it cuts through all the way. And I just added some more pressure just to make sure that it cuts through. And as you can see, it did cut the crust around it. And I'm not sure if I just didn't put enough pressure on it or what, but I did want to go ahead and go over it one more time just to make sure that it cuts everything off. And I just put pressure one more time, not too much, just to make sure, again, just to make sure that it squishes everything together and makes it, an Uncrustable sandwich. And you can see here, it does seal it and it does make it an Uncrustable sandwich. It does what it's supposed to, and it makes it super easy to make sandwiches, especially if you have kids that don't like the crust. And this just makes your day way easier and makes it way easier to make a sandwich for them.